everybody, welcome to I am Sherwin's channel. Today we are going to play Bed Wars from Block Mango, which is a bit realistic and also a bit Minecraftic. And this is also like Roblox. You have many games like Sky Wars and those things. Let's start getting some items for our defense. Great, now we need a pickaxe, shears, and an axe to break the wood, stone, and the fur or whatever it is, wool, whatever. But when you, then this game's only concept is that you have to break your opponent's bed and defeat them. If you have your bed, you can respawn again and start playing, but if you don't have your bed, you can't respawn and you lose the game. And you also have to defend your bed. But I will not defend, I always attack my opponents. And now let's go attack everyone. Let's go, we got a player stuck inside this leaf. We can defeat him with ease. And yes, we defeated him. We got another one, let's defeat him. And now we can go to the yellow's base to defeat their bed. And now let's go break their bed and get our victory. And I won't speak English that well. I'm so sorry for that. Let's break the bed. And now we have to build up to be safe. They are hitting us. Oh my god, we have to be safe, guys. Now we are safe. We are far away from our enemies. I forgot to keep the shears in my slots. So let's keep it now. And these guys are trying to break our bed. Let's go use our bridge egg to build a bridge. And now let's use our TNTs and blow them up. Let's go. We got 2 kills from that. Now let's go again to kill that last guy. Come on, this bridge is too small, bro. We need a bigger one. Come on. I have to aim properly. Let's use my bow. 1. I missed that one. There is blue also coming to our base. We have to defeat them quick, or else we will get our bed broken and we cannot respawn again if we die. Oh no, they're going to break our bed. Let's go. Yellow team has been dead. Let's use our water to escape the fall damage, and now we kill the blue. Let's go. We have to block our bed for safety. And hello there, green. You think you can defeat me?